Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a subscription box for you, and it is a soap subscription box, and it is from Bubble Tea Cosmetics. They contacted me earlier in the year and asked me if I would like to try a box, and I said yes please, and they sent it to me and I absolutely loved it. Last time I got a blueberry one and a pomegranate one, which I absolutely loved. And it's basically a little box that comes through your door like this, little diddy box, and it's shower gel. So you can get a free box. I'll link it down below for you guys. It's not an affiliate link. I don't earn anything. It's just an offer that they're running on their website. You can get a free trial box, and then it's £4.99 a month per box. They're big shower gels. They're not little. They're big. This is the pomegranate one. They are 200 mils. They're big, and yeah, you kind of tell them what kind of thing you want. There's like a fruity or a sweet option, and it's like a little quiz, and you pick which ones you like, and then it tells you how often they will send them. Like if you shower every day or if you shower once a week, you're not going to need them as much or as often. If you shower every day, you'll need them more than if you shower once a week, kind of thing. So yeah, let's just have a little look. Do I need? Yeah, I need my little tooth. Get it undone. So it comes like this. Oh my god, these look amazing. So when I got my first ones, they asked kind of what I liked, and I said I'd just like a mix of things. And yeah, I got pomegranate and blueberry last time, and this time it is strawberry macaroon, or macaron as you're supposed to say it. Oh, this is going to smell amazing. I know it is. No, it's still sealed. What the hell fun is that, wouldn't it? Oh my god, it does. It smells so good. That smells amazing. So that is the first one, strawberry macaron. And the second one I'm very excited about. It's just rhubarb and custard. Absolutely love rhubarb and custard. The sweet, the smell, everything. Please be good, please be good. Oh, I just sprayed it on my own nose. Oh my god. That is literally like if you eat rhubarb and custard sweets. That is the smell. Oh, I want to eat it. I won't, but I want to. It's so good. Bubble Tea Cosmetics, they do lots of other things as well. I'll link their website down below. This is kind of a new, Soapscription is a new thing that they do, but they do lots of other good bits and bobs as well. Tea infused beauty, cruelty free, use, rinse, recycle, and it's vegan friendly. So yeah, bath and shower gel, tangy rhubarb and creamy custard, and a sweet strawberry treat for your bath and a shower. So that is what you get this month. I'm really happy with these. I will let you know in the description box what they like to use. The blueberry one was just like one of the nicest things. It made my bathroom smell so nice whenever I used it, so I really liked that. And the pomegranate one I have not yet cracked into, because I'm also using some stuff from another bottle that I still had, so I didn't want to open two at once. But yeah, that's the Soapscription. I like it. I think it's worth it. £4.99 a month for Fancy Pants shower gel. But yeah, I'll leave a link down below where you can get your free trial box. Let me know if you do it, see what you think, and comment down below. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye guys.